Hello everyone, I hope you're all familiar with the well-known 80s game known as PacMan, because that's what I'm going to be using to describe my PhD project. So my PhD project is based on prostate cancer, specifically prostate cancer which is non-responsive to current treatment, making this type of cancer very aggressive. Therefore, there's a huge demand for new treatment options to try and tackle this type of cancer. So within the PacMan game, the prostate cancer cells are represented by PacMan's food. And at the beginning of the game, the grid is full of PacMan's food, representing the huge mass of proliferating cells in the beginning stages of prostate cancer, whereby they are allowed to move around the human body, evading our own defense mechanisms. And a way in which these prostate cancer cells are able to do this is through a particular signal. And this signal is known as the androgen receptor, or the PacMan ghosts. And when you release the PacMan ghosts, this causes an increase in the cancer cell growth, proliferation and survival, even in the presence of treatment. Now, these PacMan ghosts are very evil and can actually kill PacMan. Now, PacMan is a protein which my project is based upon, and its name is prohibitin. Now, I found that prohibitin can actually stop prostate cancer cell growth and movement around the body. And a way in which it can actually do this is through a new interaction that I discovered. And what I discovered is that prohibitin can actually physically interact with another protein, which is very exciting. And this interaction can actually stop the signal coming from the AR. So when you relay this back into the PacMan game, you can say that PacMan is going through the grid, eating as much PacMan food as it possibly can until it comes across a cherry. When it eats the cherry, it then powers up and it's then able to go along and capture the ghosts. Once the ghosts are actually killed and destroyed, PacMan is able to move through the game freely, eating as much PacMan food as it possibly can. So when you relay this back to my project, I'm saying that prohibitin, through the interaction of E2F1, is able to stop prostate cancer growth and movement across the body. This could hopefully relate to new treatment which is urgently required for prostate cancer patients. Thank you.